I'm going to do a quick tour. This is a property that's going to be going to auction. I'm pretty sure it's going to be on auction.com. And this is going to be a fixer-upper. That's a brick house. It's got vinyl siding. It needs a roof, as you can tell. The roof's been tarped, plus it's 3-tab and it is shot. So it's going to have a roof. And it's got some pretty good damage on the inside. It's going to be pretty much a total cosmetic rehab. There is a little outbuilding back here. You got a fenced backyard. You've got this pretty good sized farter room here on the back. So you've got a gable roof, and it's going to have to be replaced. That's probably one of the first things. A good pressure washing. Let's look on the inside, how much damage. There is a lot of sheetrock that's going to have to be replaced in this house. Your kitchen's just about going to have to be redone, which would be really nice to open that up. All the carpet's going to have to be redone. You can see all the sheetrock that's been removed. This is the living room. The HVAC system looks like it's going to have to be replaced. It looks pretty old. Your master bedroom is in the front of the house. When you first walk in the front door, you can see more sheetrock removed. Your master bath is going to have to be redone. It's got the old builder grade tub and stuff in it. You can see more missing sheetrock. Like I said, I have no idea what went on this property. Not sure if it's in a flood zone or not. I'm curious, and I'll find that out. So it's 3-bedroom, it's split floor plan. This is probably the only room. Well, you do have some water damage right here, never mind. Here's the back of the guest bath. So 3-2, split floor plan. I mean, it's gonna need about everything. I mean, it's gonna need a big project. These bathrooms are all dated. They're all original. Yuck. Here's your other bedroom. More sheetrock to be repaired, replaced. Kitchen's really bad shape. Your little breakfast nook area here. More sheetrock repairs. And they converted this garage. You can see, here's the garage door. It'd be better off just opening that back up and making this a nice little garage. So you've got all copper wiring, so none of that's an issue. Here's your inside laundry room. It does have a gas hot water heater, but I can look at it and tell you that it's over 15 years of age, so it's going to be replaced also. But it's gas, so there's gas to the house. And that's really it. I have no idea what they're going to do, how they're going to price this one. But this is a major fixer-upper. It's going to cost a pretty good chunk of change to fix this one up. But it's on a cul-de-sac, very quiet neighborhood. Fenced-in backyard, a little outbuilding. It's got really good potential. Could be a great flip depending on whether it's in a flood zone or not, and how much they actually put it on the auction for. Yeah, I would bank on having to replace the HVAC system. But it does back up to, it looks like some county property easements, so you don't have anybody behind you. Here's your neighbor's house. Here's your street. Like I said, cul-de-sac. It's also on sewer, so there's no septic system. But really nice homes, all brick homes. Sure doesn't look like it would flood. I don't know. I'd like to know more about what happened on the inside. Do some digging, see what I can find out. But that's it for this video. If you have any questions or want any more information on this house or bidding at the auction, make sure and check out auction.com. I think it'll be on there. All right, that's it. Appreciate it. Thanks.